12 different sizes 5 color, French fake nails square made of acrylic abs, environmentally friendly and not easy to break. Different sizes acrylic nails are suitable for most people of different finger sizes. 5 colors short nail tips at your disposal, one color for each day or a different color for each finger. 5-in-1 fake nail kit. The nail art kits including 120pcs fake nail tips, 2pcs mini file, manicure stick, and double-sided jelly glue sticker, meet all your needs to finish a easy journey of nails. Durability of jelly glue is not as good as liquid glue, but it makes fake nails reusable. Please use suitable glue according to different scenes. Easy, convenient to apply. Different nail art tools are in the package, you don't need to buy them separately. Instead of spend lots time and money at nail salon, you can stick the pink short French nails anytime anywhere. Long-lasting reusable. Acrylic infused technology for durable wear. Last up to at least 5 days if you stick French nails well, and nails tips can be reused too. The fake nails will stay longer if you clean your nails before use, and avoid water within the first hour of wearing. Fake nail tips gifts. You can use some different nails arts to decorate the nails as you want, made your nails different every day. These nails are perfect gift for girlfriend, wife, women and girls. Suitable on party, prom, dating and wedding etc. Top reviews from the United States. So far so good. I just got these yesterday, but so far they seem to be staying on really well. I've used other brand of press on nails and I think these are comparable to those. So far I think it's a good use of my money. You go for a walk.